Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to create Windows 10 installation media using media creation tool. In order to start the process, you will have to go to Microsoft's website. I'll give you guys a link in the description. So this is the website. So we will click on download tool now. When you are downloading a fresh copy of Windows from this website, it will have the latest update also. So our media creation tool has been downloaded. We will open it. Click yes on user account control window. You can minimize the window behind. So it says getting a few things ready. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, we got the license and agreement. We will accept. Okay, now it says what do you want to do. So we are not upgrading this PC as it is already upgraded. We are creating a media for Windows 10 using a USB. So we will click the second option and click next. Now you can choose the options from here. Simply uncheck use the recommended options for this PC and you will be able to make changes. Select the language you want. Then Windows 10 will be only Windows 10 because it is for Windows 10 only. And you can choose either 32 or 64-bit or both and then click next. So our flash drive is already connected. I'll show you guys. I'll open File Explorer. This PC. So this is my USB drive which I have already formatted. I'll show you how you can do that. Simply right click on it and click format. Make sure you have NTFS file system selected and quick format check. Then click on start and click OK. Wait for few seconds. Okay, the format complete. We will close this. We'll close this also. Now since it is a USB, we will have the USB flash drive selected. Click next. And if you have more than one drive, you may get these more than one options. So D is my external hard drive, E is my USB drive. So make sure you select the appropriate option from here and then click on next. So it says downloading Windows 10, progress 1% now. So it will show you the progress. You can keep an eye on it. So let it complete. Okay, so it is now verifying the download. Now it is creating Windows 10 media. Okay, so it says your USB flash drive is ready. We will click on finish. Okay, so that's how we can create a Windows 10 installation media using media creation tool. So if you want to install a fresh copy of Windows 10, or you want to upgrade any PC which has the earlier version of Windows, you can use this flash drive and you can upgrade your computer to the latest version of Windows 10. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.